SideBox Time Clock is a simple, easy-to-use mobile application which allows users to perform basic clock-in, clock-out functions with a twist, the ability to check in at job locations throughout the day. Best of all, the mobile app costs nothing for your text to download, and its reporting features are free for you to use. It's truly an invaluable addition to the way your company manages its fleet. Designed specifically with the home service companies in mind, SideBox Time Clock simplifies the employee timekeeping process by taking ownership of both the punch-in and check-in activities, thus reducing the number of texts, calls, or mobile applications needed to communicate this critical information back to the home office. SideBox Time Clock then delivers this data back to supervisors and dispatch staff through the web-based interface, which allows for a variety of reports to be run with just a couple of clicks of the mouse. You can request individual employee time and route records for use during evaluations, pull fleet-wide metrics for use in weekly progress reports or payroll, and even view up-to-the-second fleet status updates on demand, showing the most recent check-in data for all users of the system without the need to interrupt your techs with requests for their current location as they provide service to your customers. It all starts with the mobile application, the SideBox Time Clock app. Available on both the Android and iOS platforms, the SideBox Time Clock app takes about a minute to download and install, collecting only the most basic pieces of information, such as name, company, and types of service performed, from its user before it's ready to start tracking time. Once the account has been set up, your tech is ready to clock in for the day. This can be done from the tech's house if they start their day with an initial clock in for travel, or at the tech's first job site if you don't require travel tracking. For smartphone users, GPS coordinates are recorded each time a clock-in or out activity occurs, which allows administrators to see exactly where and when an employee clocked in or out for the day or job. The same goes for lunch or midday breaks too, which gives your supervisory teams all sorts of information to ensure that employees are only paid for the time during which they work. As the employee's day marches on from site to site, they clock in each time they arrive at a job site and clock out each time they leave a job site. For smartphone users, each punch activity shows the time and GPS coordinates where that clock in and out occurred without stopping the pay clock for the day. Clock in information is made available to supervisory staff instantly, making any number of once impossible information requests a reality. Using this data, you can see the current status of your fleet, including who's on the clock, who's off the clock, and where each employee is on a map for emergency or immediate scheduling needs. You can also check to see if your tech made it to the job on time, or if they even made it to the scheduled location at all, which helps to ensure that your employees are positively representing your company in the field by verifying the on-time service you promise your customers at the time they book their appointment. Supervisory or administrative staff can use a computer's web browser to log into the admin account, which provides a variety of stored reporting options. You can view the current status of your fleet, access reports about an individual's time card activity, and run aggregate reports or fleet activities, which is most commonly used when issuing payroll. SideBox Time Clock lets you plot your tech's time card activities on a map, so you can actually see the times they clocked in as well as the locations they traveled to throughout the day. This information helps you spot irregularities in their route, guarantee complete customer service, and identify places where efficiency could be improved by modifying other employees' routes to cover a more contiguous service area, thus preventing unnecessary travel times and overlaps in coverage. And that's the SideBox Time Clock in a nutshell. We hope you like this nifty little app we built to help you manage your fleet's operations. It's fast, it's simple, it's free, and we know you'll love it. Click the download link on your screen to start using the app now.